Okay, this is another one from your homework for worksheet 4.4, number 1. This is actually from the back, so this is type 2, where we cannot rewrite our numbers, where we cannot rewrite them as, bases, the same base to different exponents. We're definitely going to have to take the logarithm on both sides. And like we talked about in class, you can do the common logarithm, you can do the natural logarithm, whatever you're more comfortable with. I tend to just, unless I see an e in my problem, I tend to just run with the common logarithm. So I'm going to take the common log base 10 of both sides. So log base 10 of 16 to the negative 8r, sorry, and log base 10 to the 37.8. Log base 10 of 37.8. There we go. My to these and my ofs are just totally off right now, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, when we take the log of both sides, remember the whole point of this is to try to get that variable that's in the exponent, try to get that out front. And that's what taking the log of both sides will do, because remember, logarithms and exponents, they are inverses of each other. So I now have a negative 8r out front times log base 10 of 16 equals log base 10 of 37.8. Almost wrote that backwards. I need to isolate this r. I want to get this r all by itself, right? And I've got two things that I am multiplying by. So here are your options. A lot of you are going to think about it in terms of this. A lot of you are going to think of it in terms of, oh, well, I got to divide it by log 16 first. Okay, log of 16 first. And then, of course, that's going to cancel out. And then I will still have a negative 8r equals log base 10 of 37.8 divided by log base 10 of 16. And then you're going to think about, oh, well, now I can divide both sides by a negative 8. And you are totally 100% allowed to do that. That is definitely an option. I don't know why I just capitalized that r. I think I wanted to make it feel special. So we now have an r. And what you're going to do when you go to your calculators is, as long as you are careful, you should be perfectly fine. Just make sure that you put your entire top fraction, the fraction with all of your logs in there, it's got to be in its own set of parentheses. And then, of course, when your calculator comes up, you're still going to have the little mini set of parentheses around both of those numbers. And then you can hit divide by negative 8. When you do that, you will get r equal to we're rounding to the nearest hundredth, so it's going to be a negative 0.16. Okay, and that is one way to get there. The other way to get there, and oh gosh, let me just scroll up. Right here at this stage, I'll highlight it for you. At this stage right here, what you can do is you can actually not only divide by the log of 16, but you can also at the same time divide by that negative 8. And so those negative 8s will cancel, and you'll have a negative 8 over here. And then what you can do in your calculator, you can enter log of 37.8 divided by, and then you'll just put that in parentheses. Either way, you will still get the same number. You'll still get the the negative 0.16. Okay. So either way is fine. It depends on how you see it. If you need to take it one step at a time and need to do it the first way that I showed you, it's fine. You can do it that way. Or if you kind of see it all at once, that's good too. Okay. Either way, you get the same answer. As long as you are careful. Please be careful. Please, 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 please be careful when you're plugging this stuff in your calculator. Okay? Hope this helps.